Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix TikTok notification not showing. So if any of the notification is not showing from the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Okay, once you will do it, here you will see three lines on the right top. Click on it. Once you will click on it, now from here you have to click on the push notifications. From here, click on it. Okay, as you will see, push notifications is off, so simply you have to turn on these notifications, so your all notification will be open. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.